Hi, my name is Steve Jason H. Roselo from grade 10 St. Francis. Nature is dying. Do you really think our nature is really dying? This is the question we usually ask ourselves every time we experience flash flood, heavy rainstorm, landslides, or any other natural disaster. Our nature plays a huge role in an individual life, to the life of each and every one of us. Nature is the phenomena of the physical world in everything in it, meaning people, animals, plants, and every living organism in the human world. Nature is somehow defined as living organism habitat. How come our nature is dying? Is that really possible? Yes, of course. Since we are the ones who take the benefits of the nature, we are also the ones who should be responsible in taking care of it. Experiencing natural disaster is one sign that our nature is dying. It's like the nature is calling each and every one of us to take care of her. Most people are too reckless and careless. They are not thinking of the possible things that might happen if they do much things that harm the nature. First, not segregating garbage and separating wet with dry garbage. The disadvantage of this is that when wet and dry garbage are mixed and are kept often, garbage will decay and will cause an awful odor that will lead to air pollution. Air pollution is the mixture of odor, solid particles, and gases in the air caused by decay, garbage due to not segregating car emissions, chemicals coming from factories, and dust. When air pollution is spread throughout the nature atmosphere, this will cause disease and death to humans when it's inhaled. This also harm plants, wherein the plants will get all dried up, wherein we badly need plants since this is the source of oxygen which humans inhale. In short, it causes death to us and nature. Another one is also about garbage, and this is disposing garbage wherever. People often do this. They throw or dispose garbage everywhere, out on the street, where these clog canals that will lead to flood during heavy rainstorms. Disposing garbage on natural water resource, which will cause the death of water creatures, and will lead to water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies such as ocean, lakes, rivers, and creeks. Since us humans need water in our daily lives, once we intake polluted water, this is also cause disease to us. And other one is the cutting down the trees in the forest. Cutting down trees will cause landslide during rainstorms that lead to land pollution and also death to some people living along mountains. Since we are the ones involved in these certain disasters, mainly the nature is the most involved and the most harmed in this situation. Once the nature loses its life, all living organisms will also suffer. So sad. Are we all going to wait until our nature loses its life? Why not conduct ways in or rehabilitating our nature, like doing the arteries, the reduce, reuse, and cycle, replanting, segregate garbage, less uses of gases, and restricting factories that produce smoke that cause air pollution. Those mentioned